This video shows someone slipping on the floor, and while it might look simple, in reality it can happen anywhere. Slippery floors in kitchens, malls, or bathrooms may seem harmless, but they can quickly turn into serious accidents. Now let's see what can happen if we ignore a slippery floor. First, slips and falls. Just one wrong step can cause a person to slip and fall, leading to bruises, sprains, or broken bones. Second, head injuries. Falling on a hard floor can cause serious head injuries or even a concussion. Third, workplace risks. In kitchens or busy areas, slipping can make someone drop hot food, sharp tools, or heavy items, creating more danger for others. Fourth, chain accidents. In crowded places, one slip can cause multiple people nearby to fall, leading to bigger injuries. Prevention is simple. Let's see what we can do to stay safe. First, clean spills immediately. Any water, oil, or food on the floor should be cleaned up right away. Second, place warning signs. Always use wet floor signs to alert others until the surface is safe. Third, wear proper footwear. Non-slip shoes greatly reduce the risk of accidents in kitchens and workplaces. Fourth, keep walkways safe. Make sure floors are well lit, dry, and free of clutter or loose mats. Remember, a slippery floor may look small, but the danger is real. One careless step can change a person's life in seconds. Stay alert, take simple precautions, and always walk safely.